Indian Premier League 2026 match number 18 Chennai Super Kings vs Delhi Capitals. Match played at Ma Sidambaram Stadium, Chennai. Delhi Capitals won the toss, elected to field first. Chennai Super Kings 20 overs 212 runs lost by 2 wickets. Sanju Samsam is the highest scorer, 115 runs, 56 balls not out. Then Delhi Capitals best bowling spell, Akshar Patel, 4 overs, no maiden, 39 runs, 1 wicket taken. Delhi Capitals 20 overs, 189 runs, all out. Trishan Stubbs is the highest scorer, 60 runs, 38 balls. Then Chennai Super Kings best bowling spell, Jamie Overton, 4 overs, no maiden, 18 runs, 4 wickets taken. Chennai Super Kings won by 23 runs in this match. Player of the match, Sanju Samson. Congratulations, Chennai Super Kings.